Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about weather vocabulary.
Yes, because the weather can change our plans and our mood.
Sometimes it can even give us 4 seasons before lunch.
Sunny at 9, windy at 10, and raining at 11.
A forecast is a prediction of what the weather will be like.
I check the forecast before leaving, but the sky sometimes disagrees.
Light rain is often called drizzle.
Heavy rain that begins suddenly is called a downpour.
I've left home in drizzle and returned completely soaked.
That sounds like a surprise downpour.
Overcast means the sky is completely covered with clouds.
It can look gloomy even when it doesn't rain.
Humid weather contains a lot of moisture in the air.
When it feels hot and sticky, we often call it muggy.
My hair notices the humidity before I do.
Your hair is a very accurate weather forecast.
A breeze is a gentle wind, but a gust is sudden and strong.
A breeze feels lovely, but a gust may steal your umbrella.
Showers are short periods of rain that come and go.
Patchy rain means some areas get rain while others stay dry.
A thunderstorm usually brings heavy rain, thunder, and lightning.
Thunder is the sound, and lightning is the bright flash.
It's safer to stay indoors during a strong thunderstorm.
And avoid standing under trees when there is lightning.
A heat wave is a period of unusually hot weather.
A cold snap is a short period of suddenly colder weather.
During a heat wave, drink water and avoid too much sun.
During a cold snap, wear layers and keep yourself warm.
When the rain becomes lighter, we say it is easing off.
When the clouds disappear, we say the weather is clearing up.
You could say, it looks like the rain is easing off.
Or, the sky is starting to clear up.
Weather vocabulary helps us describe more than just hot or cold.
Exactly. Better words help us describe the whole weather story.
Now, let's practice some useful weather sentences.
Listen carefully and speak along with the natural rhythm.
The forecast says it will be cloudy today.
We might get a few showers this afternoon.
It is only a light drizzle right now.
That sudden downpour soaked my shoes.
The sky looks gray and overcast.
It feels hot, humid, and a little muggy.
A cool breeze is coming through the window.
A strong gust nearly took my umbrella.
The storm should ease off later tonight.
The sky is starting to clear up.
We are having a heat wave this week.
A cold snap is expected tomorrow.
I will take a jacket just in case.
The weather can change very quickly here.
I always check the forecast before I leave.
Great work completing today's shadowing practice.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Let your ears become familiar with the words and rhythm.
Listen again and speak out loud each time.
Your pronunciation will become clearer with regular practice.
Every round helps you speak more naturally and confidently.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and enjoy your progress.
See you in the next lesson.